this tutorial we keep looking at how to do layout on the master page, or how to build a layout. So in the last one we did the floating, where I floated the menu to the left and the content placeholder to the right. It gave us a layout that looked something like this. Now what I want to do is center the whole layout. I'd like to center that on the page. I made this 760 pixels wide, and your monitor might be 1024 by 768 or 1200 by 800 or however wide it is. So I want to center this on that layout. So the first thing I'm going to do this is another CSS trick, and again we have this main wrapper around. It's a div that's wrapped around my entire page. So right after the body start tag, I put this div, and it closes just before the body close tag. So all my HTML on my master page is inside this. So to do the centering, what I'm going to do is center this page. And again, this is a trick. I'm going to set the margin to 0 and then auto with a space between. And if we put in two numbers here, the first number is how much margin is on the top and bottom, which is 0, and the second is auto. And what auto says is take any remaining space. So we've made this thing 760 pixels wide. Whatever's left, split that in two and set our margins around the outside of the box to that, which in essence centers the page, centers our display on the page, our 760 pixel page or display on the page. So when we run this, we can see that sure enough this is now no longer left aligned, it's centered on the page. So that's just again to build a centered layout. Go to the master page, put a box around the whole shoot and match, and then set this margin to 0 and auto.